Follow these steps to fix guided access not working on iPhone. First, verify that guided access is turned on. For that, launch your settings. Now navigate to the option Accessibility, scroll down. Under General, you'll find the option of Guided Access. Click on that option. Make sure you have enabled for this option Guided Access. Next, restart or force restart your iPhone. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Quickly press and release the volume down button. Press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. This method can help resolve deeper system issues that might be affecting guided access. Next, update iOS to its latest version. For that, launch your settings, click on General, navigate to the option Software Update. If you find any existing updates over here, just update your software to its latest version. Next, reconfigure guided access settings. For that, hit back. Now, go to the main page of settings, scroll down, navigate to the option Accessibility. Then scroll down, head over to the option Guided Access. Tap on Passcode Settings. Set Guided Access passcode and enter a new passcode. Enable Face ID or Touch ID for easier access. Resetting these settings can clear potential conflicts. Next, disable and re-enable guided access. Just disable the settings and again enable it. Next, check Accessibility Shortcut Settings. For that, hit back. Now navigate to the option Accessibility Shortcut. Make sure you have checked in for the option of Guided Access. If none of these solutions work, reset all settings. For that, go to the main page of settings, click on General, scroll all the way down, click on Transfer or Reset iPhone, click on Reset all settings and go through the process. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve issues with guided access not working on your iPhone. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.